Open the ThingsBoard IoT Gateway installation document and click Install. Select Installation from Sources Latest version. Copy the first line of command, sudo apt install python 3 dev python 3 pip python 3 venv libglib 2.0 dev git. Enter the BL410 operating system and install the environment required by ThingsBoard Gateway. After the installation is complete, enter the second command, git clone //recurse /submodules github.com ThingsBoard gateway.git//deps1 to download the gateway installation package from GitHub. After the download is complete, enter ls, and we can see a ThingsBoard Gateway folder. Because Python 3.9 is required to run ThingsBoard, the default installed version is Python 3.8. When you enter the command python // version, we need to recreate the virtual environment. First, enter apt install python 3.9 python 3.9/venv to download Python 3.9. After the installation is complete, enter Python 3.9/mvenv to create a new virtual environment. Type source venv/bin/activate to activate the new virtual environment. Enter deactivate to exit the virtual environment. Enter ThingsBoard Cloud Platform. Click Entities Gateways. Click Add Gateway, fill in relevant information, and create a gateway. Click General Configuration and record the platform host and access token. Enter the device operating system and enter CD ThingsBoard Gateway. Enter Python 3-mvenv and source venv/bin/activate to enter the virtual environment. Install Python requirements pip install-r requirements.txt. Install related libraries python setup.py install. Create a logs folder and enter mkdir logs. Enter ThingsBoard-gateway/ThingsBoard_gateway/config. Open vitb_gateway.json and modify the values of host and access token to the platform host and access token just recorded. Run gateway and enter Python 3./ThingsBoard_gateway/tb_gateway.py. Go back to ThingsBoard and check if the status has changed. If it changes to active, the connection is successful.